Hi, I'm Andrew Fryer, an evangelist at Microsoft in the UK. I'm on the Dell stand at TechAid and I bumped into Malcolm. What do you do, Malcolm?
I'm actually working for Intel, but I spend my life working with Dell for Intel.
Okay.
So all the new technologies from Dell for Intel.
So we're all on the same page. Now, I was intrigued when I walked by that we've got these, what look like energy monitors. They are energy monitors, plugged into these two laptops. And good God, it's an old laptop running, looks like Windows XP.
It is.
So what's this all about?
It is, indeed it is. It's an old laptop and it is running old operating system software. So we're trying to show some comparison here. We picked a laptop that was probably state of the art about 2 to 3 years ago. And dare I say, operating system software that was state of the art about 2 to 3 years ago. And we're trying to show a comparison of how that stacks up against latest generation hardware and obviously latest generation Windows 7 software. And we wanted to show how the performance has improved over that 2 to 3 year time horizon.
Yep.
And also some of the power savings that can come as a result of those performance boosts that come in.
So Malcolm, exactly how does this demo work then?
Well, we've got some sort of smart bit of software here, so basically we can launch the same piece of software on both systems at the same time.
Ah, okay.
So we can do a side-by-side comparison of them doing some kind of task, and then we'll watch how long it takes them, and also can monitor the power they're using as they run.
So I can already see here, this one's already is using less power at the moment than this one right now, yeah?
Indeed, at the minute they're both in idling mode, they're not doing anything, but even so, the newer system uses less power while it's idling. And you'll see as we kind of like ramp it up into full performance, the power of both of them will move up into performance type mode.
Right. So let's get started.
So shall I do it? Okay, let's get going. Just for a sort of an intro demo, we've got some encryption of a bunch of files that we're putting down into a WinZip encrypted archive. And just run that off on both of the systems together. So if I launch it here, it should, as you can see, it's starting up on the two systems together. And we've got some pre-done scripts that are running here. It does some initial setup, and then it will start its real encryption of the thing. So they're off starting to do the encryptions. The power is beginning to ramp up a bit. In fact, in a second, it's going to start really doing the work. Here we go. So now it's starting to do the work.
Wow,
See, they're both ramped up to about double their idling power. This one over here, the newer system, is running in about 9 seconds, and he'll come back down to his idling power. This guy is going to carry on for some time yet, running at its flat out, ramped up full power. Interestingly, we ran them both in what we call normal mode. Also on the new hardware, we build some new instructions buried into the new hardware, so we can put another 200 to 300% performance improvement when we do encryption type of activities. So maybe I can just add on. That guy's still going to run.
It's still going.
We'll let him finish. But whilst that's going, I'll just now run up that same demo. But this time we'll use these new hardware encryption instructions that are buried down in the new CPUs. And that enables, whenever we're doing anything involving encryption and decryption, to ramp up about a 300 to 400% improvement over the pre-new hardware instructions. So as this thing ramps up, he'll go back through the same thing again, and you'll see right now he'll start doing it, and he's really flying this time. So he's done in 3.8 seconds.
My word!
Against the 2 to 3 year old laptop took 53.42 seconds to do that same task.
And I didn't see quite so much of a power spike there, unless I missed something. So that's really good.
Up and straight back down again, real quick. So, performance and power benefits on the new systems.
Fantastic. Nice to see Intel doing a bit to save the planet, and Dell as well.
We try to help and use Windows software.
That too. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
3, 2, 1, stop.